and jungle. And do you know how to propagate them? In this video, we are going to talk about this. We are going to grow snake plant in water and in soil. First, we need to have some cuttings, straight line cuttings like these. Let me have some more cuttings. I have all the cuttings, and you see that they are a little bit thick. So you have to clean them. How to clean? Let me tell you. First, you need a cloth. Then make the tip of it wet, and just wash them gently. Like this. Harry, what happened, Harry? You just wash like this. Oops. I guess Harry's leg is stuck in the skin. Do you know what is this? I have made a video on it. The link is given in my description below. So from here, you just wash. My cuttings are very clean and looking nice. First, we are going to grow it in soil. So, these two cuttings we are growing in soils. First, we have to cut them. But remember that which is the down part and which is the up part. So, this is my down part. We will put them in the soil. And from the down part, there will come the roots. Like this. Put this in soil. And already there is coca peat in the soil, so they will grow faster. And these two, later I put them in these. See, this is our soil cutting. And now we are going to grow in water. So these are different colors. So in another bowl. See, these are yellow and green. So, and they are even small, so I'll keep them in this. Like this. And these are different color, so I'll keep these two, but this one is a big one, so we need to cut it. I'll take a height. Let me cut this part, and I can use this small part to grow in soil, so I'll keep this height. And yeah, so these we are going to keep in this, and we are even going to decorate it with these. So I am going to first wash them. Like this much. Look at these! They are looking so beautiful. Now let me put some water. Like this. Over here, and this is a small one. Our decoration is ready. You might have a question, how to take care of a snake plant? You have to change the water once in a week. And for soil, you should have proper drainage holes and keep them in low sunlight, light sunlight, not in direct sunlight. And trust me, they don't need more water. How? As they are thick and they store a lot of water. They don't even need water in summers. To tell you 5 benefits of snake plant. First, they look very nice at your home. Second, they need low maintenance. Third, they are great oxygen producer at your home. Fourth, they keep clean air. And fifth, they absorb CO2 at night. So, you must have a snake plant at your home.